Hi, it's time for another open house.
All right, today we are looking at a Lilac, 1,922 square feet. This one is a vinyl sided home. It has one stretch on the garage. It stretches out 4 feet. We'll point that out as we get closer to it. The cost of this home is $376,114. All right, let's go check this one out.
Let's go.
Welcome to the Lilac. This home is much more affordable than the last couple we did. If you remember, we did a couple of homes that were over $600,000. And that was just specifically because they happened to be in the area we were that day. I promised I'd get something a little bit cheaper. This one today is in the $400,000 range. $376,114 to be exact. Keep in mind, this is on an interior lot. As you can see, this home is up against other homes. That's typical in this price range. This has a golf cart garage. You'll notice there in the middle, that is standard in the floor plan of the Lilac. And the Lilac is a vinyl home. You may notice when we get to the walkthrough, we have upgraded our sound equipment. It's not going to be that low level with as bad of an echo as we had. Hopefully it'll be easier for you to enjoy these open houses that we walk through. As I was mentioning, this is on an interior lot and you do have houses right behind you. But notice at the back of these homes, they've placed an area there with bushes or bushes, I guess it is, to grow. The bushes they put there actually grow very tall. We have some of those in our home. We use for blocking some of the views of people looking towards our home. They'll grow 8 foot tall easily over time. And also you'll notice that the screens are out on this house. I think it was an oversight on their part. I don't think they realized that on open house day that they were down. The realtor was inside, or the sales agent was inside. We didn't mention it to them. But the house appeared to have just been pressure washed, probably to get all the dust off from the construction in the area. And I think they forgot to put the screens back on. We did notice that the front porch was a little bit wet there from where they had been doing the cleaning. And as in all of our videos we've been doing of open houses, this house is probably not on the market anymore. They can sell quickly, so that's why I'm not saying a location. The idea of this is just to give you an idea of what the floor plan looks like and if it's in type of house you would be interested in. All right, this one is a vinyl sided home against a Lilac. See the vinyl siding?
Yeah. And a lot of people coming in.
Now, vinyl siding doesn't mean that it's built to any lower standards than the concrete block and stucco. The concrete block and stucco and vinyl sidings meet the same hurricane standards here in Florida.
They've got the screens off on the side, probably for cleaning.
They've done some washing. We noticed earlier the front porch was wet and the screens are out. So I think when they cleaned up for the open house, they had forgotten to put the screens back in.
Or they're just letting them dry.
Yeah, they could be.
I bet you they're letting them dry. They'll be back.
This is on an interior lot, which again makes the lot cost is much lower.
You can see where your yard goes. They've got it already posted here.
Yeah. It's still decent size back here. Not sure you'd be able to put a pool, probably not.
No.
I'd be able to put a hot tub. And the house behind it has a fairly big backyard too, so you have a little distance between the two homes.
I like the landscape they have already in this backyard. Makes nice privacy. Because these bushes, we have these in our yard, these are going to grow up.
Yeah, those will grow very tall and actually will block the view of the home behind.
You'll see they have the sprinklers there. All of the homes in the villages come with sprinkler systems pre-built in.
And here's your concrete
for your
slab.
grass. Yep. It has the sprinkler system for your grass and for your flower bed areas. Screen porch on the back.
Your
Lanai.
Lanai. Yeah.
And then you can see on the end there, this wall normally on a Lilac would go straight. I would not have that bump out. That bump out is a stretch on the garage. It's the only thing different on this one than the standard Lilac. And in this area, I'm not sure I had pointed this out on any of our other ones. This here is the gas hot water heater, on-demand hot water heater. So there is not a tank here. So as you draw hot water, it is heated through that box and brought in. The nice thing with that is you have unlimited hot water. It's not going to run out no matter how many people are taking showers.
I can vouch, it does not run out.
One thing to keep in mind is sometimes it does take a while for that hot water to make it over to the master bedroom, which is on the opposite corner of the home. But that's well worth it to me to have that little bit of a delay as long as I can get hot water unlimited. I like a nice long shower. All right, let's check inside.
Are you ready to
All
go
right,
in?
let's go check it out in the inside.
You belong here, welcome home. Okay, here's your foyer, and to your right.
Ceramic tile floor.
Yeah, very pretty. To your right is your...
It is open house, so forgive the dirt on the floors and people coming through.
We didn't do that.
Let's see this open area in here. Open floor plan. Most of the things are open floor plans. Most of them in the villages. Got an area for your dining room table.
And your kitchen and living area.
Yep, nice doors on the back there. That'll be your entrance into the master bath. Now notice they put in most of the floors in the area where you might put a couch. They'll go ahead and put a outlet underneath, and that should be on a switch. So you can put some lamps or something like that and control that on your end tables. And a little breakfast nook. Kitchen area.
You've got the cabinets across the front of the island again. All the way across.
That's a laminate, high definition laminate. Very nice. I like this bronze, the bronze sink. We have a bronze sink in ours.
Yeah, here's your pantry with the roll-out shelves. Pretty
They
nice.
haven't put a backsplash in on this one yet, but that's something you can add on. Decorate it to your own liking. And then off of the kitchen,
Your
have
laundry,
a
washer
pass,
dryer.
yeah, walks through to the garage, and that's where you put your washer dryer.
Here's your garage.
And you can close this off with a door, so you don't have to hear the washer dryer when it's running. And out to the garage.
You have 2-car and your golf cart. And the way the wall goes here, here's your slop sink. I call it a slop sink.
And yeah, the attic access again in the garage, the usual place for it. And this is has a 4-foot stretch sideways. So this wall we're looking at here is 4 foot out. So this is a little bit wider than the standard plan. But it's still 2 cars and 1 golf car. If you go a little crooked, that's kind of the way this is set up. You might be able to get a second golf cart in here. You
It would
wouldn't
be
be
the
able
way
to pull
you
it
angle
straight.
it,
Yeah,
yeah.
bring it in and angle it a little bit to the right. See how that wall angles over?
Yeah, that gives it character for sure, though. Angled wall. Look in here, you've got more storage than normal because it goes back in the back.
That's for your HVAC that they
light.
always have, but not often do you have
There you
any
go.
storage space.
There's a light. All the way back there.
Very nice.
Okay.
Let's go check out the bedrooms.
The air conditioning feels good.
Let's go to the master. And carpeted in the bedrooms, but ceramic tile everywhere else.
You got your tray ceiling again.
Like the trays. Some people actually take tray ceilings and they'll do some trim work on the edge of it, really make them stand out, or do some different colors in the flat part of the tray.
And I've seen people put lighting up in there.
Yeah.
Around the edges.
Like a rope light
Yeah.
that's behind trim work. It's really cool.
You've got a lot of windows.
Lots of potential.
A lot of windows in your master.
Again, we're on an interior lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's the bathroom. Nice size master closet. They've already got the shelving, well, some shelving here. It comes all the way around.
That's big, walk in.
That is. Here's your bathroom. These knobs are fun.
Yeah. Double sink, look at the knobs. Big crystal
I like
knobs,
Here's
like it.
more cabinetry. Here you go.
Water closet.
Water closet.
And of course, most of the master bathrooms have the Roman shower. And again,
There's your chair, your bench.
yeah.
I think it's pretty when they have the window in the shower.
And there's usually on each build, there's usually one cutout or a spot that you can put the soaps and
A niche.
things. Yeah, a niche. That's a good thing to good term for it. And the handle to turn the water on and off is away from the shower itself, so you can turn that on without getting wet
Very important.
till the water warms up.
Hey, you want to go outside?
We got the other bedrooms in the back.
Okay.
We're in the front.
Yeah. Head up to the front. Okay. So this is the door that you came in. So we're going to go to the left. And this is its own wing with a pocket door. So if this is your guest area, they can close themselves off. So in the front, you have a bedroom with a vaulted ceiling. Lots of light coming in.
Very nice.
Here's your closet. Goes on
Bifold.
all the way back in there. All the way.
Yeah, most of the time, the second and third bedrooms will have bifold closets.
Yeah, usually they do.
And
Here's-
this one also has, it's not a cathedral ceiling, but it does have that slope down
The
to
vaulted
10
area.
foot right
Yeah.
here. And it slopes down to 8 foot on the edge.
And this closet goes on back in here on both sides.
It's a decent sized room. This is the smallest, I guess, of the three.
Yes, this would be the smallest. You come back out and you still in your hallway.
All right, let's head out back. Oh, we still have the bathrooms over here.
We still have another bathroom to explore. Here's your linen closet and another full bath right here.
And it's the matching laminate countertops throughout both bathrooms and the kitchen.
And your knobs. Okay, so let's head outside.
This is your lanai.
Area over here to put the TV. You can mount your TV on the wall right there.
Yep. Most homes will have something pre-wired, so a cable outlet in one position in the home. If you're building your own home, you can have multiple outlets put if you wanted to.
Look right here, they've already put in landscaping right here, which makes it nice, already starting the privacy.
Yeah.
And it feels like you're further away from your neighbor in this lot than some of the other houses we've been in.
Yep, and often people do, you cannot put fencing up. So that's your option, is you can put some tall trees or decoration to bushes to block off the area. And a tiny little patio out here. You could have your grill. You really don't want to put your grill in your lanai. Safety concerns, but also you're going to get smoke and things that come off of it that is going to stain your screens and your lanai.
Very nice. This is actually a good sized area.
All right.
Hi, hope you enjoyed our open house tour of the Lilac.
We'll keep doing these tours for you. Do us a favor, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tour. Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell, and we'll notify you the next time we explore the villages.